14th of July 1789, fortress called Bastille was stormed in the first moments of the French Revolution. In Paris, as jets soared high to color the sky blue, blanc rouge, Europe's most ancient and the biggest military parade was held on Champs-Élysées. At night, Parisians enjoyed one of the world's most outstanding and innovative pyrotechnics demonstrations at Eiffel Tower. In Karachi, scene was set at the banks of Chinna Creek on beach luxury hotels' lawns surrounded by majestic palms, where expatriates, diplomats, politicians, entrepreneurs, artists, educationists, and journalists converged to celebrate the Bastille Day with the Consul General of France. Following the national anthem of France and Pakistan, Consul General addressed the ladies and gentlemen in the audience. He said, "This is a day when French people take pride in the unity and on the strength of their nation."
Celebrating Bastille Day this year is very special indeed. The first reason is that Paris, as well as the whole of France, will be very soon hosting the Summer Olympics, starting from 26th of July and until 11th of August. The French people are especially proud of this, as it will be the first time in 124 years that Paris will again be hosting the Olympic Games after Baron Pierre de Coubertin undertook to revive this beautiful tradition inherited from ancient Greece. The second thing that makes this celebration of Bastille Day in Karachi this year so special is that 2024 is, of course, an election year. We definitely look forward working both at the federal and provincial level in a spirit of trust and friendship, wishing Pakistan enhanced security and stability on its path to development. Now, the third thing is the economy. We're now witnessing some positive developments in the economic situation as a whole, and in our bilateral cooperation in particular, which gives us more reasons for hope. I would like to mention the car industry. You will see here tonight on display a very fancy French car made in Pakistan. It's a Peugeot 2008, assembled here in Karachi at the Lucky Motor plant. But our cooperation extends beyond the economic sphere towards education and culture. I'm also very proud that Karachi is the host to the oldest foreign cultural center in Pakistan, namely the Alliance Française Karachi. They have a stand over there.
Bonjour à tout le monde. Donc le projet Naturally French est un projet que nous avons mis en place à l'Alliance Française de Karachi et qui a pour objectif de mixer la langue française et la découverte de l'écologie.
Soirée ended with live music and extravagant buffet satisfying the palate of hundreds of guests.
French cheese, fresh French cheese flown from France, courtesy Mr. Alexis Chahtahtinsky, the Consul General over here, has specially brought it from France.
Lucky draw added to the happiness of the fortunate guests. Many sponsors also displayed and gave away their wares. Spectacular fireworks illuminated the skies over Arabian Sea.